Hey everyone, today we're going to be changing the driver's side tail light harness. Right here, the one in my car just has a loose wire for the inner circle, so I don't know how that happened, but that's what we're going to do today. It's pretty easy, just to take this off, the carpet walls, there's 4 nuts in there, the tail light will pop out, and that's how you access the harness. It's plugged in somewhere along here, we'll just pull that out. So yeah, let's get to it. I was wrong, it actually plugs in right here and not up there. But anyway, take off 4 nuts, 1 there, 1 there, 2 in there, I'm actually missing 1. And then the tail light will pop right out. Once they're all undone, just slides out. Just like that. As you can see, loose wire. And it's supposed to have that little black one on there. So we're gonna go ahead and unplug that and take these out and put the new one in. So once you've taken all these out, you just unplug that, and this guy should just pull right out. Feed it through a bit. There you go. Now that that's out, let's grab this guy, feed that through there, let's push this rubber guy in. I'm gonna have to set these down. It's a bit awkward with one hand. Once he's in, plug this in. Before you start putting them back on your tail light, just test to see if they work first. So we'll turn the ignition on, lights, blinker. Yep, all good. Now that we've tested them, you can put them back in the tail light and just reverse the process and you're good to go. Now that it's all back together, see how they look. Turn the lights on. Good as new. I also have new gas struts coming because, as you can see, I need this bit of wood to keep my boot open. So stay tuned for that. And that's how to change a taillight harness. Be sure to like and subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.